now!
No, he mustn't start yet. Go and tell him, Mandy. I can't. He's not allowed to cross the tape. It's the rules.
Oh, what's more important, lion or a silly bit of tape?
Lion! Dad! 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 Dad!
Go back, Mandy! Right now!
Oh, that's...
Do as I say, it's dangerous! Tools! My beautiful tools!
I'll call the fire brigade.
A fire at the Flood's house. Oh no, the firework party. Whoops, not again. There's a fire at the Floods. There must have been an accident with the fireworks.
Elvis, Sam, take Jupiter. I'll man the control desk.
I wish I knew where Lion was.
He could be hiding in that shed right now.
Don't say that, Norman! Sam! We think Lion might be hiding in that workshop.
Again? Okay, we'll check. No sign of Lion. He wasn't in the shed, I'm sure of it.
Oh, well done, Sam. That's lucky.
Oh, thank goodness. I want to go home now to see if Lion's turned up.
I'll give you a lift.
Oh, but we haven't seen all the fireworks yet.
I think we've had enough fireworks for one night.
Me too. Next time we're going to a proper display. It's much safer.
We haven't put out a fire that big for a long time.
That won't come off in a hurry. We're all done here, Charlie.
Oh, that's freezing.
Don't worry. You'll soon dry off, and a nice cup of tea will warm you up. Come on, Charlie.
Okay, Gareth.
It's nearly time for the big display.
That's what I'm afraid of. I mean, good.
Not a single call so far, Sam. You were talking about the firework code. Must have worked.
Let's hope so, Penny.
Maybe we should go and check on Bessie. She's very close to that firework display, you know.
I'm sure she's fine, sir.
All I have to do is push this button.
Go on, Mandy. Do it.
No,
You can't do it. You're scared.
it's not that I can't set off the flare, Norman. It's that I don't want to. Like I don't care if you think I'm uncool. Help! Oh, listen! Someone's shouting. Help! Help! I'm stuck! It's coming from the cliffs. Come on! Help! Help! Up here! Oh, it's Penny! Oh, thank goodness you're here! I'm stuck! Someone will have to run and get help.
Wait a minute. What's that you're holding?
Oh, it's a flare.
What? You shouldn't be playing with that.
We found it. I was going to give it to Fireman Sam.
Good girl. But right now, it's just what I need. Mandy, Bessie, could you throw it up to me?
Me? Oh, all right.
Brilliant throw, Mandy.
Dancing didgeridoos. Where is that flare? Oh, it came from the cliffs. I better call Fireman Sam.
Oh, an emergency flare from the cliffs. Tom has sighted an emergency flare, Sam. Somebody must be in trouble on the cliffs. Tom will meet you there in the topper.
Thank goodness, there's Tom.
Here's Fireman Sam!
It's Penny. She's stuck at the cliff. You have to help her.
Don't worry, Mandy. We'll save her. Tom, lower the double harness.
No worries, Sam. Coming right up. Or they down.
Okay, Tom. Take it up. Slowly now.
Woohoo! He's done it.
Wow! They were the best rockets ever!
What's next, Grandad?
How about some Roman candles?
Are they spaced far enough apart, Grandad?
Oh, yes.
And are you lighting them with a safety taper?
Of course. Can I start now, young Jane?
Yes, Grandad. Now that's a big firework!
Just wait till you see the grand finale. The Catherine wheel.
Oh, brilliant! I love Catherine wheels! Wait!
Yes, James?
Is the wheel pinned on securely, Grandad?
It certainly is.
And is it loose enough to spin around?
I'm sure it will be fine.
Ah, Grandad! It's not spinning!
What? No!
And now it's setting fire to the shed!
Oh, my!
Oh! I think we better call Fireman Sam!
Oh, dear. Bessie's in there.
The storage shed at the railway station's on fire. The storage shed at the railway station is on fire. Oh, my. Bessie. Wait for me.
Oh, I just knew this would happen.
I thought I checked everything.
It was the Catherine wheel! It's not supposed to be nailed on that tight. Page 7, paragraph 2.
Put your foot down, Sam. Okay, everyone, stand back. Stand back. Oh, Bessie.
Turn it on, Penny.
The fire's out!
But Bessie, is she okay? Oh, my Bessie.
Still in perfect working order, sir.
Yes, might need a bit of a polish tomorrow, though.
Can I tempt you?
Oh, I wonder where Norman's got to. I hope he's all right.
Oh, it's probably hiding. One of his little games. Wants us to find him. Norman! Norman Price! He can't be far. Fancy making a wish, then?
Okay. Here goes.
Well, what did you wish for?
Oh, I can't tell you that, Dilys. The wish won't come true.
Oh, go on.
No.
I want you to tell me.
Oh, just tell her what you wished for and get me out of here!
It speaks! The well of wishing speaks!
It's me, Mom. I'm stuck.
Norman!
I better call Fireman Sam.
Norman Price stuck down the old well? Boy stuck down the well, near the valley path. Quick as you can, Sam. He could be short on food.
We can't use the A-frame to lower us down. It's still on top of the trading tower. It'll take too long to get it.
Looks like you'll have to abseil down the well, Sam. Good luck, mate.
Here, Norman, to keep your strength up.
Thanks, Mom.
Almost there now, Penny.
It's Sam. He's here.
Get him out, Sam! Oh, say you will!
Of course I will, Dilys. Okay, Penny. You secure the rope to that signpost. I'll check on Norman. Okay, Norman. I'm going to abseil into the well to get you out.
Righto, Sam.
Nice and easy, Sam.
Oh, isn't he brave?
I've dropped all my pennies.
Never mind about that.
Look, the school bus is missing. Children on board? Trevor Evans and the Pontypandy children haven't returned from their school trip. Action station!
Maybe we should call Tom Thomas, sir.
I was just about to suggest that, Sam.
Jupiter calling Tom Thomas.
Go ahead, Sam.
If you're in the air, Tom, can you keep a lookout for Trevor Evans' bus?
Righty-ho, Sam. Tom Thomas calling Fireman Sam. Come in, Sam.
Receiving you loud and clear, Tom.
I've located the bus, Sam, up on the Valley Pass. Looks like Trevor skidded off the road and got stuck. It's really foggy down there.
Thanks, Tom. We're on our way. I hope everyone stayed on the bus, Elvis. You could easily get lost out there.
Yeah, you wouldn't catch me wandering about out there in the day, let alone at night.
Oh, that sounds like Tom's helicopter. Here, I'm over here. Please. Oh, he doesn't realize I'm lost. Norman? Is that you mucking about?
Oh, Sam's here! Yay! We can go home now.
I'm starving.
Is everyone okay?
Oh, Sam! I've never been so purified.
Okay, let's get you back on the road. Where's Trevor?
He went for help. Such bravery.
He left the bus. I'll see if I can reach him. There's no signal. Trevor could be anywhere out there. Elvis, could you attach the tow rope to the bus while I call Tom? Righto, Sam. Tom, it's Sam. Trevor Evans is out here somewhere. We're going to need your help to find him.
No worries, Sam. But I'm going to need someone up here with me.
You can count on me, Tom. OK, Sam. We're ready.
Oh, we're free! Shame we haven't got a driver.
You all know Neptune, so that's the tour finished. Where have you been, Cridlington?
Oh, sorry, sir. I got a bit, tied up.
Oh, dear.
Ooh, it's getting a bit breezy. Will Mike be all right out there?
I'm sure he'll be fine.
Oh! Oh, what? Wait, phew! Gotcha! Oh! Whoa!
Oh, no. I've sat on my button.
Uh-oh! Whoa! Get off! Get off, you rocket!
Oh, look, Mum! Fireworks!
Oh, they can't be going off yet, James.
They are. That's not just the fireworks. Mike's platform is on fire.
I'll call Fireman Sam.
Mike Flood is trapped out at sea on a blazing platform. Mike Flood is trapped out at sea on a blazing platform.
Ben, you pilot Titan. Elvis and Penny, you man the water cannons. I'll take...
Oh, no! I'm getting off!
I'm at the platform, Ben, but there's no sign of Mike.
Maybe he's jumped overboard, Sam.
I'll take a look around.
I'll hold her steady. Penny, Elvis, you direct the cannons. I'm over here! Oh, I got my whistle.
I'm coming, Mike. I've got you, Mike. Nice job, Ben. There you go. Nearly there. Elvis, Penny, come and see this.
Ooh, that's lovely, Sam. I love the smell of a roaring fire.
Oh, no.
Sorry, Sam.
Stay still, Norman. They want to throw a snowball at you.
Why would I stay still if I'm going to be hit by a snowball? Whoa! Ah, you can't get me inside! Uh-oh.
I think we'd better call Fireman Sam.
There we go, all up and running. This place will be as warm as toast in no time.
Excellent work, Mike. Ooh, an emergency. A fire at the Flood's house. Oh, there's a fire at the Flood's house.
Oh, the fire at the Flood's house. Wait a minute, that's where I live. Wait for me! Don't worry, Mandy. As long as you're all right.
Shut the gas off, Elvis.
What happened? What were you cooking?
Norman's mum's scarf.
Oh, I think it might be a bit overdone.
I'm in such a lot of trouble.
No change there then, Norman.
Well, here they all come.
Hey, Mum! What do you think of the decorations?
They look wonderful. Well done, you two.
She really is quite something.
Oh, I haven't seen one of these since I were a lad.
Look, Lily, it's a steam train.
Smoke.
No, Lily, it's steam.
Smoke.
Did someone say smoke?
Oh, there's a fire.
Oh, no. If the water tower falls, it'll crush the train. Stand back, everyone.
I'll call Fireman Sam.
A fire at the new railway station? There's a fire at the new railway station.
Right, now keep calm. The weight of the water in that tower will be very heavy and it could collapse at any moment. Elvis, spray water at the base of the tower. Penny, drive Venus up to the front of the train.
Roger that, Sam.
Stay back, everyone!
Stay with me, you two.
Now drive, Penny! Keep going, Penny.
The fire's out, Sam, but she's gonna go!
All my hard work.
Oh, Dad.
The train's fine. Penny pulled her out of the way just in time.
Thank you, little Lily. If it wasn't for her, we wouldn't have seen the fire.
Sam.
If the train is okay, can we still have the opening ride then, Grandad?
I'm afraid not, James. There isn't enough water in the tank yet.
Oh, well, never mind.
Isn't that a pity?
Wait, I've got an idea. If it's water you need, Jupiter can fill her up.
What a totally brilliant idea.
It is, Elvis.
So the opening can go ahead after all.
And the Pontypandy Flyer joins the other splendid vehicles of Pontypandy. But I think you will all agree that today it was our very own Jupiter that saved the day.
You see, Dilys,
Moose isn't the only one who knows about survival.
We've run out of things to burn. We need to keep warm until help comes.
I'll see what else is on the bus.
Here you go, Trevor. Burn this.
Oh, thanks, Norman.
The bus! We're on a lake. And the fire has made the ice crack. Get back, everyone! Get back!
My precious picture of Norman was on that bus.
Now we have nowhere to shelter and no fire. If Moose doesn't get help soon, we're in big trouble.
Emergency! Bus has gone off the road and we need help fast.
Great tangled hoses. Trevor's bus has gone off the road. Trevor's bus is in trouble. The passengers need our help.
When's someone coming to rescue us, Dad?
Very soon.
Listen, they're coming!
It's Fireman Sam!
Elvis, make sure everyone is a safe distance away. Penny, you'll be ready in Jupiter.
Everybody stand back.
Activating winch. Penny, you might need to back up to help the winch.
Right you are, Sam.
Yay! They've done it!
Now, let's get some tea on and make sure everybody's nice and warm.
Trevor, you saved it.
Eh? Save what?
My lovely picture. You knew how precious it was to me. Oh, Trevor, you were a real hero. I'd hated to lose this.
It's Norman as a baby with no clothes on.
I have to say, Moose, well done for going out in that blizzard to fetch help.
That was very plucky.
Hey, what can I say, Trevor? Plucky is my middle name.
Here's Sam.
Quick, Sam! The wheel needs help.
Go on, Penny, you better get down there. Lead on, Mandy.
Oh, I hope the wheel is all right.
Are you sure it's not a shark?
Yes, it's a wheel. And wheels are gentle creatures, Norman.
Sam, how are we going to get it back into the sea? High tide is hours away.
Oh, I know. We can roll it in.
It's too heavy, Norman.
And it might get hurt, silly. It will be okay, won't it, Sam?
Have I ever let you down, Mandy?
No.
We're going to need Neptune, Penny.
Okay, Sam.
Hello, Tom.
Okay. Pretend you are putting out a big fire. I mean a really big one.
Oh, like this?
Could you maybe put a bit more oomph into it?
Get out, fire! Get out!
That's it. What about using the fire axe next?
I can slide down the pole if you'd like.
Excellent. Good idea.
Oh, very good.
It's okay. You'll soon be back where you belong.
It's time now, Mandy. Okay, release the harness.
Bye-bye, little whale.
Thanks, Tom.
You think it'll be all right, Sam?
It will be now it's where it belongs.